Hey dear cleaning enthusiast, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the best home gadgets to make your life easier and your home spotless. Today we are thrilled to showcase the Shark PowerDetect Powered Lift Away Pet AZ3900UKT Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner, your grime-fighting superhero at home. Whether you are tackling pet hair, dust, or everyday messes, this vacuum is loaded with innovative features to handle it all. Join us as we explore its sleek design, powerful specs, cutting-edge technology, why it is perfect for pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone who loves a pristine home. Let's start with what makes the Shark PowerDetect a game changer. This vacuum is like having X-ray vision for dirt. Its DuoClean Detect Technology uses two motorized brush rolls and smart sensors to detect hidden dirt, floor types, and edges, automatically adjusting suction and brush roll speed for a deeper clean. It glides effortlessly over carpet, hard floors, laminate, or tiles, adapting in real time for top-notch performance. Plus, with reverse clean technology, it cleans just as effectively when you pull it backwards as it does going forward, making your cleaning faster and more efficient with up to 40% quicker debris pickup compared to other models. Now let's tackle those tough household challenges. If you have got pets or long hair, the Anti-Hair Wrap Plus feature is a lifesaver, gripping and capturing hair without tangling, so you won't need to wrestle with a clogged brush roll. Pet owners, this is your dream machine. For those with allergy, the Anti-Allergen Complete Seal traps an impressive 99.9% of dust and allergens, keeping them locked inside so you can breathe easier. And with Anti-Odour Technology, a unique cartridge system neutralizes bad smells, leaving your home smelling less like wet dog and more like a bed of roses. Versatility is where this vacuum shines. With powered lift-away technology, you can detach the pod to transform this upright into a portable cleaner, perfect for blitzing stairs, sofas, curtains, or even your car, all while the motorized floor head keeps the brush roll spinning for consistent power. It comes with a pet tool for tackling fur or upholstery and a crevice tool for those tight nooks and crannies, plus an 8-meter power cord gives you a generous 10.1 meter operating radius, so you can move from room to room without constantly unplugging. Let's talk about specs. This upright bagless vacuum boasts a 750-watt motor and a 1.3 liter dust cup, letting you clean longer without frequent emptying. At 7.7 kilograms, it is sturdy yet manageable with a sleek dark tail finish that adds style to your routine. Its 30.5 centimeter cleaning width covers more ground per pass, and the easy clean brush bar keeps maintenance simple. This vacuum is backed by 5-year guarantee upon registration. This vacuum offers peace of mind for years of reliable performance. Who is this for? It is ideal for pet owners battling shedding, fur, allergy sufferers needing cleaner air, and busy households wanting a versatile, powerful machine. Whether deep cleaning carpets or reaching tricky spots, the Shark PowerDetect makes it effortlessly. We love the incredible suction and was shocked how much pet hair it picked up that our old vacuum missed. And also we love the seamless floor transition due to dirt detect function. This vacuum cleaner will be a great investment. There you have it, the Shark PowerDetect Powered Lift Away Pet AZ3900UKT is powerhouse that combines smart technology, pet features, and allergy boosting performance to keep your home sparkling. From its DuoClean Detect and reversed clean technologies to its anti-hair wrap and anti-odor innovations, this vacuum makes cleaning faster, easier, and fresher. Whether you are a pet parent, an allergy sufferer, or just love a spotless home, this is the vacuum to elevate your cleaning game. Ready to make the Shark PowerDetect your new cleaning superhero? Head over to our Amazon store to grab yours today. This vacuum cleaner deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.